हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त महेश कुमार और आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू बॉयंसी एंड फ्लोटेशन। फ्रेंड्स, मैंने बॉयंसी एंड फ्लोटेशंस का थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट ऑलरेडी डिस्कस किया है, जिसका लिंक मैंने अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हूं। आप वहां से उसे देख सकते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन। ए सॉलिड कोन फ्लोट्स इन वाटर with its apex downward. Determine the least apex angle of cone for stable equilibrium. The specific gravity of the material of the cone is given 0.8. Here it is saying that friends, a solid cone is there which is float in the water. So whatever liquid is there, it is water. Its apex is downward and we have to determine the least apex angle of the cone for stable equilibrium. Density, from here we can find specific gravity has given 0.8, so whatever density is there, it will be 800 kg per meter cube. Friends, it should be something like this. Suppose this is the solid cone. This is the, we can say, solid cone. Here, whatever angle it is making by, if you see the top view, if you see the top view of this cone, of this cone, here totally solid is there. I am making this hollow, but totally it is solid is there. It is floating in the liquid. If you see the friends, if you see the front view, this is the front view and this is the top view. So from here it will be look like something this is the solid cone. This is solid cone. If you see the front view, friends, whatever it will look like some triangle. This is a triangle. This is the apex angle. Whatever angle is made by this line and this line, it will be apex angle. Apex angle, it is denoted by 2 theta. Okay friends, this is the base, dia of the base. If you see from the top view, it will be look like some circle and its dia is equal to capital D. Here in this question, only this density has given, no other parameter has given. So we will give some denotations, we will give some name. So friends, the base dia is equal to capital D. Friends, what happened? This solid cone is floating in the water. It means here this is the surface, liquid surface. Below this liquid is there, or you can say water is there. So at this surface, liquid surface, whatever dia is there, this is the dia at free surface of the liquid. So this dia equal to D, small d. This dia is equal to small d. Okay friends, from apex, this is apex, to the base of the cone, height is equal to capital H, and from this apex to height of the free surface kitna hai friends, it is small h. Getting? These all are some points. Now G is the center of gravity of the cone and B is the center of buoyancy of the liquid displaced, volume of liquid displaced. Okay friends, so if you see here, if you see in this a triangle, in this a triangle, so here this is A, this is E. You can give some value here. Suppose this is a, this we can say Z. So this is Z. Now friends, in triangle AEZ, at this surface, at this point, at the liquid surface, dia is D, so radius is equal to small d dia is there, so small radius is at liquid surface. So this is the small r radius which is at the liquid surface. Capital R at this base, whatever dia is there, capital D, so radius it will come at the base is equal to capital R. We are giving, or we can say we are denoting this one. Getting friends? So if you see in this triangle, here to here 2 theta is there, this apex total angle is 2 theta, so half angle is equal to theta. Getting friends? So in this triangle, tan theta is equal to what? R by total height, so R by h. If you see in this triangle, so tan theta is equal to small r divided by small h. Okay, this much clear. Now friends, now here we give this one, capital D is equal to what? Dia of cone or dia of cone at base. Okay, small d is equal to what? Dia of cone at water level. Dia of cone at water level, or we can say liquid surface. 2 theta is equal to what? 2 theta is equal to apex angle of cone. Apex angle of cone. And capital H is equal to what, friends? What we are giving? What we are giving? Height of cone, and H is equal to, small h is equal to what? Depth of cone in water. G is the center of gravity and B is the center of buoyancy. Okay friends, now we know that, now all terms I explained here. Now for cone, what is the height of G? Or you can say distance of A to G, is how much? So the distance AG, distance of, we can say distance of center of gravity from apex A, कितना होगा फ्रेंड्स? फॉर कोन के केस में कितना होता है? वी नो डेट इट इज इक्वल टू 3/4 h. सो यहां से कोन के केस में जो सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी होगा, टोटल हाइट कितना होता है? 3/4 h होता है. सिमिलरली अगर हम यहाँ पे देखें, द कोन विच इज इनसाइड द वाटर, इस केस में क्या हो जाएगा फ्रेंड्स? जो सेंटर ऑफ बुयांसी होगा उसका कितना हो जाएगा? इस हाइट के 3/4 के इक्वल होगा. सो डिस्टेंस ऑफ सेंटर ऑफ buoyancy from apex कितना हो जाएगा फ्रेंड्स? 3/4 into small h. गेटिंग फ्रेंड्स? फॉर टोटल सॉलिड के लिए कितना हो जाएगा? सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी 3/4 h होगा. एंड फॉर दिस के लिए सेंटर ऑफ buoyancy कितना होगा? ए बी कितना होगा फ्रेंड्स? 3/4 into small h कितना होगा? Now then what is the distance between B and G? What is the distance between B and G? Friends, from A to G 3/4, from, it means here AG is equal to 3/4 h is there, and AB is equal to 3/4 into small h is there. Okay, AG equal to 3/4 h and AB equal to 3/4 into small h. So what is B and G? BG is equal to, distance is equal to how much? It is equal to the AG minus AB. AG minus BG is equal to what? AG minus BG equal to 3/4 capital H minus 3/4 into small h. Okay friends, now friends, why we are finding this BG? Why we are interested in BG? Because we have to find metacentric height, and we know that metacentric height GM, because here 3 point is there. This is the center of gravity, this is the center of buoyancy, and this is the metacenter. So metacentric height, this is GM is the metacentric height, and it is equal to the I least divided by volume of liquid displaced minus B and G, or we can say this is equal to the Bm minus Bg. That's why we are finding this one, this value Bg. Okay friends. Now friends, now we are finding here. Now friends, you see here, what is the volume of, what is the volume of cone? What is the volume of cone? Or we can say, we know that friends, we know that weight of the body, weight of the body equal to weight of fluid displaced. We know that this formula, weight of body equal to weight of fluid displaced. So what is the weight of the body? Weight of the body is equal to density of body G into volume of body equal to, what is the liquid weight of liquid displaced? It is equal to the density of fluid into G into volume of fluid displaced. Getting friends? So here you see density already has given. Density already we calculated here. Density is equal to 800 of the body. So 800, G to G cancel out. So here we are cancelling. So what is the volume of body and what is the, see here, this is rho f. Rho f is equal to what? Density of fluid. So here density of fluid is water. So we know that density of water is equal to how much? 1000 kg per meter cube. We will put it here into volume of fluid displaced. This is the volume of fluid displaced. Now friends, we will consider here what is VB and what is VFD. Okay, volume of body, this is the total volume of the body. It means how much is there? 1 by 3 into pi capital R square into capital H. This is the volume of the body. We know that for in the case of cone, solid cone, what is the volume? 1 by third pi R square into H. Similarly here, this is the volume of liquid displaced. So at this level only, or we can say this much volume of liquid is displaced. So volume of this cone is equal to 1 by 3 into pi. At this level, radius is equal to small r whole square into height small h. Getting friends? So from here, this is 800 into volume of body कितना आ जाएगा? 1 by 3 into pi into capital R square into H equal to 1000 into 1 by 3 into, sorry, pi into small r square into small h. So 1 by 3 will cancel out here, and 0 to 0, 0 0, it will cancel out. 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 will cancel out here. So what is left here friends? And pi to pi also cancel out. So 8 into capital R square H equal to 10 into, here 10 is left, 10 into small r square into H. It is available here. Okay friends, now here R, capital R and capital H is there, and small r and small h is there. Okay friends, now what is the relation? Initially we find here, from here you see friends, in this triangle already calculated tan theta equal to capital R by H, and here tan theta is equal to small r by small h. So from here we will put it the value R in terms of H. फ्रेंड्स क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पर? R इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? कैपिटल R इक्वल टू H tan थीटा, एंड स्मॉल r इक्वल टू क्या हो जाएगा? स्मॉल r इक्वल टू स्मॉल h tan थीटा. ओके फ्रेंड्स, सो यहाँ पर जो है इस कैपिटल आर एंड स्मॉल आर की जो वैल्यू है उसको हम इस इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे तो फ्रेंड्स हमें क्या मिलेगा यहाँ से, what we will get friends from here. If you put it this value in this equation, so 8 capital R, so R square is there, so capital H tan theta whole square into capital H equal to 10 into this small h into tan theta whole square into small h. Okay friends, now here 8 capital H square and H, it will be Q tan theta whole square equal to here 10 into here also H square into H small h cube tan theta whole square. So friends, from here this tan theta whole square cancel out. So from here friends, from here what is the value came, so capital H cube divided by small h cube equal to, I am dividing this h cube here this side and 8 will go this side, so 10 by 8 it will come. So this h by small h equal to 10 by 8 to the power 1 by 3. If you send this one this side, so it will come. Okay, we are getting the relation between capital H and small h. Okay, capital H and small h, sorry, we are getting the relation here, capital H and small h. Okay friends, now friends, what we will do, actually we have to find here GM, metacentric height. For a stable equilibrium we have to find GM, and this GM should be positive, or you can say greater than 0. It means the I list upon volume displaced minus Bg, it should be greater than 0. This is the condition we have to find. This Bg already we calculated and the relation we got. Now we will find here this I list by volume displaced. Why we calculated here? Because it will be useful in deriving or finding the value. That's why we are finding the relation between capital H and small h. Now friends, we will find the value of I, we can say Bm equal to I list and volume of liquid displaced we will find. So this term we have to find. Now what is the value of I list? Why we are considering here this? We are taking always friends minimum moment of inertia, because we are designing at the minimum moment of inertia. Now in this case friends, you see here minimum moment of inertia at what point we are taking, at what location we will take. So moment of inertia we will take at this point, whatever liquid surface is there, लिक्विड सरफेस फ्रेंड्स जहां पर टच करेगा वहां पर जो क्रॉस सेक्शन होगा उसका हम लिस्ट मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया लेंगे. सो इन दिस केस डाया इज देयर, सो डाया इज यूनिफॉर्म. सो क्या हो जाएगा फ्रेंड्स, लिस्ट मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया क्या हो जाएगा इन दिस केस, dia is there, so small dia is there, so 5 by 64 into d to the power 4. This is the least moment of inertia. Okay friends, now what is the volume of liquid displaced? Volume of liquid displaced means this much volume only we have to consider. So this is the volume only displaced. So what is the volume friends? Volume already calculated here, 1 by 3 into pi into small r whole square into h. Okay, so I list value we are getting and volume we are getting. Okay friends, so here r value is there, or we can say if you put it here r, this dia if you convert in the r, then what it will come, pi by 64 into 2r to the power 4, or it will come friends pi by 64 into 16 r to the power 4, and this 16 it will cancel out, so pi r to the power by how much, 16 it will go 64, so 16 into 4 is equal to 64, so pi r to the power 4 by 4. Okay friends, this is the moment of inertia and this is the volume of liquid displaced. Getting friends? Let's understand here. Now we have to find this B, and Bm is equal to I least divided by volume of liquid displaced. How much it will come friends? Already calculated here, pi r to the power 4 divided by 4 divided by volume of liquid displaced. How much is there? 1 by 3 into pi r square into small h. So here pi to pi cancel out, and here r square is there, here r to the power 4 is there, so it will be cancel out. So top how much is there, here r square will be there, so r square क्या बचेगा फ्रेंड्स, r square by 4 divided by h by 3, here h is left, this r square is cancelled out, 1 by 3 is left, so what will be, what it will come friends, this 3 will go up and 4 will come down, so 3 r square by 4h it will come. So Bm is equal to how much, I least divided by volume of liquid displaced, how much it is coming, 3r square upon 4r. Okay friends, now what we will do, since we have to find the theta, what is the apex angle, so we will put here r value in terms of theta, which we already know. What is the small r value, if you see here, so we will put the value here, r is equal to what, r is equal to h tan theta, s tan theta, we will put it here friends, this s tan theta, r equal to small h into tan theta, small r is equal to, we will put it here, so 3 into h tan theta whole square, s tan theta whole square divided by 4h, so it will come friends, Bm equal to I least divided by volume of liquid displaced is equal to how much friends, 3 into h square tan square theta divided by 4 into h, so this h and square it will be cancelled out, so what is left, 3h tan square theta divided by 4, so this is Bm value, or you can say I least by volume of liquid displaced, this value will come. Okay friends, now we calculated this value, so what is Gm, metacentric height, what is Gm is equal to, what is Gm friends, Gm is equal to, here Gm is equal to, Gm is metacentric height equal to Bm minus Bg, we calculated all the value, we already calculated, so Bm is equal to how much, this Bm minus Bg, Bm minus Bg. Okay friends, so Bm is equal to, already calculated here, 3h tan square theta by 4 minus Bg value, how much is there friends, how much value is there, Bg we already calculated here, Bg is equal to, this value already calculated, Bg is equal to 3 by 4 capital H minus 3 by 4 small h is there, 3 by 4, so 3 by 4 will be common out, so capital H minus small h it will come, this is the Gm, this is the condition we have to get. Now friends, now Now friends, here you see, for stable equilibrium, for stable equilibrium, this gm should be greater than 0, or you can say it should be positive. Okay, so this gm is greater than 0, so in this case we will put it here, 3 into h tan square theta divided by 4 minus 3 by 4 into capital H minus small h, it should be greater than 0. Now friends, here h is there, here capital H is there. We already calculated one relation between capital H and small h. We already calculated here while solving this one. We find one relation between capital H and small h. So from here, what is the capital H value? Capital H value is equal to, multiply with here this h into 10 by 8 to the power 1 by 3. This is the capital H value. So we'll put it here friends. We'll put it the value here. How much it will come? So see here friends, here 3 by 4 is there, here 3 by 4 is there. So this 3 by 4 will common will take. So here h tan square theta minus it will come minus capital S plus small h. It should be greater than 0. Okay friends, it should be greater than 0. Here this term will be 0. So what is left here friends? What is left here? Just see careful. Here you see this capital H, a small h, tan square theta plus h minus capital H equal to 0, or we can say here h and h common we will take. So 1 plus tan square theta minus capital H equal to 0. So what we will do friends here? We know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. We know that 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So we'll take here small h into sec square theta. We'll send this one this side. So it should be greater than capital H. Okay friends, we will send here capital H. Now what is the here? Sec square theta should be greater than capital H divided by small h. And we will put it directly here friends. We will put it here. This capital H by small h value we already know here. How much is there? This capital H in small h value is there. This value is equal to, how much is there friends? 10 by 8 to the power 1 by 3. So this sec square theta should be greater than, sec square theta is equal to greater than how much? 10 divided by 8 to the power 1 divided by 3. So it will come friends, it should be greater than 1.0772. Okay, so what is, then how can we solve friends? How can we solve? We'll take cos theta. So cos theta, if you will take this cos square theta, we will take, it means it will go by 1 by 0.772, or it will come friends, how much is there? It will come, this value will come 0.9283. Okay, so this cos theta, what is the value of cos theta? Cos theta should be 0.9283 to the power 1 by 2. It's little bit tedious friends, but understand the concept here. 0.5. So cos theta should be greater than 0.9634, and if you find that theta should be greater than cos inverse 0.9634, or theta is equal to, theta is greater than, how much is there? If you see cos inverse answer. So it will come friends 15.5 to 9 it will come. So this is the half angle. Theta is the half angle. Theta is half angle. Friends, here we are able to find here only half theta value. So what is the, if we are calculating 2 theta, so what is the 2 theta? 2 theta should be greater than, 2 theta should be greater than into 2, so it will be 31.059 degree. So least angle how much is there? It should be greater than 31. So what is the apex angle? Least apex angle कितना हो जाएगा? It should be 31st degree. So apex angle to theta, apex angle to theta should be least कब हो जाएगा friends? When theta is equal to 2 theta is equal to 31 degree. This could be the answer. Okay friends, this could be the answer. सो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा एक्सप्लेनेशन अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज लाइक कीजिए। फ्रेंड्स, किसी भी पॉइंट पर आपको डाउट हो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं। ये थोड़ा टीडियस, थोड़ा लंबा था, बट आई एम ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इन अ सिंपल वे। मैंने अपनी तरफ से कोशिश करके समझाने की अच्छी कोशिश किया फ्रेंड्स। फिर भी अगर कुछ डाउट हो तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछिए, मैं उसको आंसर देने की पूरी कोशिश करूँगा फ्रेंड्स। थैंक यू।